Well, today's gonna be a pretty sick video. As you guys saw by the title, super stoked about the car being caged. So I got this steering column, picked it up last night. It's all rusty and stuff, but anyway, that's not what this video is about. Ooh, almost stalled the speed. Let's go show you the cage. Still got a check engine light. I'll go over that in a speed video, not this one. Well, 240's in that garage. Those are actually the tire marks from it. Bring this piece of junk in. I gotta paint this and make it look all pretty, and I'm still gonna run the factory cover because the way Nissan made this looks like crap. Okay, so I wanted to make this as cool as possible. 240's behind this door. I'm gonna show it to you right now, and then we're gonna go over a couple things after I show it to you. But anyway, here we go. Oh, maybe not. Hold on, take two, here we go. All right, this is it. I don't think you're gonna be able to see the cage. Oh, you can see part of it. So fair warning, the 240 is extremely dirty from that last restaurant where it blew up, got rained on, then I pulled the motor, never washed it. So anyway, here we go. The 240 is back, and it has a absolutely insane roll cage. So just got this door shut, and sorry about the train. I got this car back like 3 days ago, and I've honestly just been staring at it occasionally for like long periods of time, just thinking like where this is gonna go and how cool it's gonna be. Obviously I'm doing the Jay-Z, all of that. Before I show you the cage fully, I wanna say thank you to everyone that has subscribed because of this car. It's gonna be coming back, so make sure you stay tuned. Train's almost gone. Okay, make sure you stay tuned for all the crazy stuff to come with this thing. It is gonna be such an insane build. I want like 500 horsepower, I'm gonna say that off the bat. And I just want it to be a beast. I want it to be a drift car. I want it to be fast in a straight line. I want it to just be overall a really, really, really fun car. So with that out of the way, let's hop right into showing you the cage. This has been a dream for me to always have a cage 240, especially in this car, and it's finally happened. So the first thing we're gonna show you are the door bars. The door bars are my favorite part. They're so unique. So this is them. He said I will never see any other door bars like this unless someone sees this video and copies me. Don't do it. So these door bars, super unique, absolutely love them. Along with the silver interior, he also did all my jams, so I no longer have that super ugly orange and red combo. Horrible combo, as you probably saw by the end of the 10-minute video if you watched that. This car left gutted, or that's how I ended the video. It was gutted, red and orange looked like junk, and finally it's silver. So the silver is actually the same color as the engine bay. The engine bay is just so dirty that like look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty that this looks 20 times brighter than that. So yeah, along with the silver engine bay, he did black doors. This was actually his idea, and I'm super happy he did it because when you're looking in here, you're only looking at that cage. The black doors don't even you don't even register them. You just register the cage and how good those door bars look. So as you probably saw, since the door bars are so wide, I no longer have windows, so kind of a bummer, but at this point, this car is full-blown race car, which means I need to get another 240 so we can have a street car again. Because having a street car is amazing. Everyone likes carpet and stuff like that, and I kind of miss it, but this car is gonna be nuts either way, and I'm gonna love it. But yeah, so by the way, here's the Jay-Z. This is a 1J VVTi. Don't know if I'm gonna use it. I might use a 2J. Apparently this only has like 70,000 miles on it. I got it from JDM in California, which if you guys have ever bought from them or seen them, I've seen some other YouTubers use them. I mean, I don't know how the motor's gonna work, but it got delivered really fast and no problems. So good compression test, they sent a video, so check them out. But either way, the cage is nuts. Let's see, here's the back view. I'm gonna pop the hatch here in a minute. I wanna show an overall view of this car real quick of its current state, just so I can document it. The engine bay's junk right now. I don't want you to look at that. A couple things too. I have full GK Tech angle, full GK Tech rear suspension. I even painted the subframe silver and the diff. So this car is matching inside, underneath, engine bay. almost forgot to mention, please go follow Flake_is_life. Name is Dan. He's the one that did this cage. And just give him a follow. I'll put a picture of his car up on the screen right now. One of the coolest AE86s ever, in my opinion. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just hop into some of the small details that he did. I guess they're not small, they're kind of big, but he stitch welded the entire interior. So as you can tell, stitch weld, stitch weld, stitch weld. And I think that makes this interior like just so much cooler. Look, I don't know, it's just such a good touch. Originally, he didn't even tell me he was gonna do it. There was a picture of him stitch welding, and that's how I knew, on his Instagram. And yeah, so the back, let me pop the back. Also, let me show off the rear end. It's been a little while. Look at this. Woohoo! No rear bumper, no bash bar on right now, of course. But look at how wide. Oh yeah. And don't worry, I saw someone's comment that I've had the same wheels for the entire build. Completely true. New wheels are coming. I'm going 5 lug, and we're gonna be rocking some deep dish hot boy wheels. This is the back of it. Bars everywhere. I don't know what these all do. They just look nuts. They're super cool. And yeah, so the rear still has rust back here. We did repair, or he did repair the frame rail. The driver's side frame rail was extremely bad. Like you could reach your hand in there, pull out metal, just rusty metal. So that's all repaired. He said there's actually an animal living in the passenger frame rail, or was getting its way into it. So he actually, there was a little rusted out hole right here that he fixed. I knew there was something living in there at one point, because when I ripped all that AC stuff out, there was acorns, tons of insulation. It was nasty, honestly, but that's all taken care of. The driver's side frame rail is good. So anyway, back to the back. Like I said, it's still rusty. So the goal he gave me for 2020 was is to hit the rear end of the car on something, which can only mean that I need to do some wall taps. So that's the goal for 2020, is to kind of wreck the rear end of this car, and then we're gonna tube it, just to get rid of all this rust. That gas tank's disgusting. It looks disgusting. So maybe do a fuel cell, just a simple one. I don't want this to be a like formula drift car, if you know what I mean. Like I do want to do some pro-am in this for fun. But yeah, this will never be a formula drift car. But either way, yeah, that's the goal for 2020, is to take care of all that and all that stuff. But yeah, it's amazing. And oh yeah, so the hatch is also black. And funny little story. So when I first got this car about 2 years ago, I'd say, I installed this wing injected, and we couldn't find drill bits big enough so that we could get these washers in with the bolts. So what we did was we got some wooden drill bits, drilled these disgusting holes. There was like metal everywhere, just like the worst holes you'd ever see, because we're using wooden drill bits. So he finally cleaned that up for me, and I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the best things ever. It looks amazing, but it's a little sad to see it go. But I got this wing on in literally like 5 minutes, compared to, it used to take me probably, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes just to get the wing on. So much better. Yeah, this is the car right now. Looks rad. I still need to do tons of small stuff, so be prepared for some videos that aren't as action-packed, me working on this thing. I have a lot of small stuff I need to do before we can hop into the big stuff. But if this is the motor I end up using, there's gonna be content of that coming very soon. I kinda wanna just use the 1J, because 2Js, I was unaware of how expensive they're getting. 1J, I think I paid 1,700 bucks for this. 2Js, I've been seeing for like 3 grand. And I could honestly I could make 500 with the 1J just as easy as the 2J. It's just which one I want to go with, I don't know. Personally, 1J sound better, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the cage. Please go follow Dan. I got so much to do to this thing. It's such a mess. Looks like dookie. Yeah, let's go in my office, because I want to show you guys a giveaway. So the shirt giveaway I'm doing. Okay, so I originally made these shirts because it was dope. It was the SR, my orange, that exact orange in my car, no mistakes. And I was gonna sell these, and that's the back. This is the front. But since the SR blew so quickly, I'd never had a chance to like get them out there and really push them to people. So I'm actually gonna be giving away what I have left over. I'm gonna give away like 3 in this video. I think, I don't know. So to enter, just like this video, subscribe, comment your Instagram or some way you want me to contact you, and I'll pick one randomly throughout the next couple weeks, and we'll figure out how to get it to you. Check out my little mini trees too. They're pretty sick. So yeah, that's gonna be this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The 240 content is coming. More speed content coming. More car content coming, because I have 2 cars that I still need to show off. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Okay, motor is in the midst of coming out. It's dropping a lot of oil out of the hole right there in the upper oil pan.